Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today is an exciting day. I am building my new seed starting setup. Now, over the last few years, I've been kind of Frankensteining a seed starting setup, not really wanting to go through the expense of just going full blown seed starting setup. So this year I'm kind of doing it gradually. So I got a really nice shelf from Lowe's. This shelf is 4 feet long. I don't remember how deep it is. I'll put it in the description. But it is the perfect size shelf for the grow lights that I got. So I'm really looking forward to an easier, more efficient way to start seedlings. So here I am attempting to put this shelf together, you guys. I got really frustrated with it really quickly. And I'll be honest with you, I had to step back and start it the next day. And here it is. It's all finished. That was fast. So this is 2 days later because the following day I was not feeling good. So I had my husband help me put it together. It looks great, right? So here are the grow lights that I bought. These are actually just shop lights that were pretty cheap. They were three of them. The first three were about 16 bucks after tax, and then the last one at the bottom, the white one, that one was about 17 after tax. I got them all from Walmart, and I really want to get some more. They're all LEDs. The first three have a different set of lumens than the last one. I'll also put that in the description because at this very moment, I do not remember. No, I don't remember. I apologize. Okay, so here I am hanging them up. They're super easy. They just have hooks on chains that you use between the lights and the bars, and the lights are the perfect size for this shelf. Look at my cat just walking all over the patio furniture. Anyway, so yeah, this is just, it's so simple to get all of these lights set up on the shelf. I want to encourage anyone who is hesitant about this or doesn't think that, they'd be able to do it. Like, this is super easy. Super easy to set up. So we're almost finished. There's a few more things to do, but I really love this shelf. I got it from Lowe's. It was $107 after tax. I tried to find a shelf on Facebook Marketplace and at my local thrift stores. I could not find anything. So I went ahead and got one from Lowe's. I'm really happy with this purchase. The shelf is sturdy. There's also wheels that you can buy separately to add to it. I chose not to do that. I don't really need this shelf to roll around. And I'm also keeping this in my living room as opposed to our family room. The living room, I can actually keep it away from the cats and protect it more. So it's super nice, you guys. The lights are super bright. So I'm gonna run them during the daytime, and then at nighttime turn them off so that my neighbors aren't like, what the heck is going on in there? But anyways, let me know if you guys have questions. I'll link everything that I can in the description box, and see you in the next video. Bye!